Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this. We are going on a hike today to Seven Bridges Trail. Check out this view. Did I mention this is a dog-friendly trail? Well, it is. It's also in Colorado Springs, Colorado.
And it's actually not the Garden of the Gods.
And it is not the Garden of the Gods. It is, what canyon is it? Cheyenne Canyon Road Trail.
Not to be confused with Cheyenne Mountain.
Yeah, not to be confused with Cheyenne Mountain. That. It's a 3.7 mile, I believe, hike. We're walking till one of us gets too tired to go any farther, whether it be Aaron, me, or the dog. And still not used to the elevation here, but still, hopefully get to see a bridge before we get tired. All right. Hunter's doing really good for an older dog. About 15, I think he is. Yeah, I'm ready. Number one, I think a bigger bridge than that. Number 3, we skipped number 2. Well, I didn't record it. We'll get on the way back down. Third bridge of 7. Alright, it's uphill all the way until you get to the halfway point, and then it's downhill the rest of the way. It is straight up there and straight back. And it's a hard hike, but be well worth it on the downcline. Not even talking right anymore. Anyhow, I hit 3 bridges. Coming up on 4, I think. 7 bridges. I hope I can do this. If not, you'll have to come and finish it. Come check it out and finish it when you're here. It's beautiful here. Also smells like mountain fresh springs and dirt. And a waterfall, although it be only 6 inches. Bridge number 5. Elevation is kicking my butt right now, and we're still going uphill, but we made it to bridge number 6. Good news, if we make it to 7, it's downhill all the way, and a lot easier. Oh boy, she's running now. That's good, come back now. She ran and left me. Now I have the water, the poo, the dog, the backpack, and the camera. Come on, Hunter, we can do it. One more bridge, and we'll have done 5 miles by the time we get back. It's downhill all the way. You feel better?
I heard you yell, I'm right behind you, keep going.
Did you really hear that?
No.
Huh.
I'm sure that's what you and Hannah were thinking about.
Hey, we're on bridge 7, isn't it?
Yeah.
So bridge 7 is the last bridge.
Correct.
I think I'm gonna stop at 7. Hey, look, there's toilet paper.
Baby diaper.
Oh, it's a baby diaper, even better. There's a baby diaper. Yay. Yay. And it looks used, great. I wish people would pick up after themselves, especially a baby diaper.
People pick up after their babies.
Themselves, their babies. I remember the whole experience. Holy cow, what the heck? I hope we can make it up there. Alright, well, save you guys all the hard work. I'll bring you back in when we get up here to the top of the 7 bridges. Wow. I'm not going to be able to walk after this. Hopefully, I will be. That's where we just came from. And look, 7th bridge is right there. So, just gonna walk up there. Hey, pretty good for a fast. And there's 7 bridges. I'm done. I'm going back down. I'm not going much far beyond that. I'm calling it downhill. Oh wait, let's clear it off. Let's go look.
Once you get all your video?
I am now.
Hunter's down. He actually laid down.
Alright, I'll see y'all at the bottom in the next place. We're gonna probably cross the bridge, turn around, and go down. Provided there's not a look up out up there as I hold the camera sideways. I'm just gonna drop this here. I'm tired. We've been traveling for quite a bit. We left you off yesterday for the hike and came visit some friends. Got to our hotel in Trinidad really late last night and just crashed out and woke up and started traveling again. We are currently in No Man's Land State Park on the way back to Enid, Oklahoma. And to finish out the build, hopefully it looks like they're dealing with 110 degree heat, or close to 108 supposed to be today's high. Heck of a change difference from 99 and 95 degree heat. It is a dry heat, but it's still hot. So we're here. We're taking a break, and then we're going to head it back. Finish up everything that needs to be finishing and get on the road. Looks like diesel price is starting to drop. So I'm going to probably end the video here. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully we're moving down the road and hopefully stuff's done. Alright. See y'all later. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you about last night's experience. My friend's doing a personal trip up here. She happened to get 5 days off. And it's like, okay, yeah, we can go. We were going to take the ambulance and fambulance up here. However, it still needs shocks, and I did not quite have enough time to do it. So we did a calculation on gas on where we was thinking about going, and figured it's like a third cheaper or 2/3 cheaper to take the car. So we took the car and stayed in hotel rooms. Comes with good sides and downsides. We had a different room last night planned for us. However, the different room did not pan out for us. It ended up being a very sketchy thing. The reviews on the hotel room that we was going to stay at were 2.7 star, and the only reason we chose is because we need a pet-friendly hotel for the puppy dog. So with it, the 2.7 star review, we decided to, well, I decided to look at the reviews because I needed to know where he was going. And they said they spent some time in the parking lot, and it was sketchy sketch. So we did the same thing, and within 5 minutes of this sitting in the parking lot, one of the permanent residents, sketchy people, went around the backside of the hotel, around another building to come up behind us to scope us out. And we was there within 5 minutes. I did not feel safe. She did not feel safe, so we canceled the reservation at a cost of 1 night stay there and moved down the street to a safer spot where we could sleep overnight. So yeah, I'm not going to say the name, but always check out the reviews before you do your hotel stays. Alright, well, we have a lot planned today, and let's get going. Sorry for the, let's get going.